In business, communication often begins with a greeting or a short exchange of small talk. These opening words may seem simple, but they help set the tone for later interaction. A polite greeting, such as good morning or hello, signals respect, while short questions like how are you or how was your weekend show friendliness and awareness of others. These brief exchanges help signal that a conversation is starting and that attention is being given to the other person. Small talk often includes brief comments that are not directly related to work. Asking about someone's day or sharing a light remark can make conversations feel less abrupt and more natural. This kind of interaction can make it easier to speak openly and cooperate during later tasks or discussions. In the workplace, greetings and small talk can affect how messages are received. Without them, requests or instructions may sound too direct or impersonal. Starting with a friendly phrase helps conversations begin smoothly and creates a more comfortable setting for work-related communication. Clear, polite openings help people engage more easily and maintain professional interactions.